Hey everyone, Sharky here. Today I'm reviewing yet another mock of Corvette set 42093, the Subaru WRX STI mock by zr1. Now for the front, starting with the air filter thing that goes up and down, and the pistons move when you roll it back and forth. There's a blue pin to replace where the Subaru logo would be on the real car. One negative I have about the front is the air filter, which is a complete arse to apply as it has two separate axles instead of one, and when you push the orange pin things in, it often pushes the axle into the air filter and I have to pull it back out. And did it about 6 times, and in the footage it broke again, and I just can't be asked to fix it at this point. So yeah, that's the front. Now for the sides, there are wing mirrors which you can adjust, but the doors can't move, and that's about it. They have a tiny bit of movement, but not much. The roof and the back of the car have no play features, and I mean the bottom of the car. Okay, now the back to me is where the model is at its best and looks at the coolest with its crazy spoiler and subtle exhaust. On the instructions, this orange bow piece thing was supposed to be the other way around, but it shows the Corvette sticker, so I put it this way so that you can't see it. It looks about as good. The back also has this cog which controls the steering, which is quite restricted but is good enough. When you steer and move the car back and forth, the gears can sometimes snap a bit, which was also a complaint in the official Lego Range Rover set. I don't know if this was my mistake and I may have built it wrong, but if this was intended, I don't blame zr1 as making a mock and incorporating the same play features as the base model is pretty hard. The back bumper also had the annoying building technique that was on the air filter, but it wasn't as bad here. It also had a missing piece at the back, but that's probably my fault, and I found one of the pieces in my spare parts box, so it was all fine. I'm talking about the barrel for the exhaust. So yeah, that was my review. A bit shorter than usual, but there's no box or anything, so there's not much to cover. If you have the original set and you want to rebuild it into this, I'll leave the link to the brick link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.